Amniocentesis for sex determination is banned in our country. Is this ban necessary? Comment. Okay. So students, to understand this question, now let us understand what is amniocentesis. So here in the picture we can see there is a developing fetus. The fetus is attached to the placenta through the umbilical cord. Now here, this outer structure is the uterine wall. Inside there is an amniotic cavity, and this amniotic cavity is filled with amniotic fluid. Now, the amniocentesis is done by extracting the amniotic fluid from this cavity, and this is done with the help of a syringe. So as they extract the amniotic fluid, along with the fluid, the cells over here, these cells are also extracted. Now these cells are the dead cells which is released from the developing fetus. So by using these cells, any genetic disorder which is associated with a child can be determined. So they use the cells and conduct karyotype. That is, during karyotype, they analyze the chromosome number and its structure, and hence they get to know whether if there is any genetic disorder associated with a child. And along with that, amniocentesis is also used to know if there are any metabolic disorders connected with the child. Now, since amniocentesis reveals the number of chromosome and its structure through karyotyping, the sex of the developing fetus can be determined. So whether the fetus is a boy or a girl can be determined with amniocentesis. So it is a prenatal diagnostic technique which is used to determine the sex and the metabolic disorders of the developing fetus. And it is banned in our country because this technique has been misused by many people. So if they get to know that the developing fetus is female, then it would be aborted. If it is a male, then it is allowed to grow. So this is called as female feticides. So to reduce female feticides or to completely stop female feticides, the government of our country has banned the process of amniocentesis for sex determination.